In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Bookings for beginners. Zoho Bookings is a fantastic free online appointment scheduling software that simplifies the process of managing your appointments. It's an excellent tool for businesses and individuals alike looking to streamline their booking process. Let's dive right in and take this step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to Zoho's website. This platform offers a suite of cloud software solutions designed to support various business needs. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Understanding where everything is will ease your navigation as you move forward. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you're not already a member, you can easily sign up with a new account, which takes just a few minutes. For those of you who are already part of the Zoho community, simply enter your login details and proceed. The convenience of having one account for multiple Zoho applications cannot be understated. It aligns with their goal of offering unified solutions that save time and make managing your digital workspace simple and efficient. Once you're logged in, proceed to Zoho Home. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the apps and services available to you. It's clean, functional, and designed to help you quickly find what you need. Now, navigate to Zoho Bookings. This feature is what today's tutorial is all about. Upon reaching Zoho Bookings, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is an integral part of your booking operations, providing valuable insights into your appointments, services, and schedules. It serves as the command center from where you can oversee all your booking activities in one place. The next step is to create a workspace. Workspaces in Zoho Bookings allow you to organize your appointments across different facets of your business. By segmenting your operations into distinct workspaces, you can manage resources more effectively and ensure smoother coordination. This step is essential if you offer multiple services or have several team members involved in the booking process. After setting up your workspace, it's time to click on New Appointment. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to manage and schedule new bookings by selecting this option. The process is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to customize your appointments with ease, setting times, including details, and more. Finally, you'll want to click on Add Appointment. This is the last step where you finalize your new booking. It's as simple as that. Whether for personal interactions or business meetings, recording appointments ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and you stay on top of your schedule. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to use Zoho Bookings for beginners. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and organize your appointments. Enjoy the ease and simplicity that Zoho Bookings brings to your scheduling needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your productivity journey.